We're out here in York for a leak over here on this side. Customer states there's a leak in this window around the corner. So after going inside and seeing where the leak's coming in at, I'm going to start performing a water test. Pretty much what I'm trying to do is see if there's any spots here in the general area that the customer states there's a leak, just to see if I can make it leak while I'm here. Sometimes that helps me kind of diagnose where it is. You know, the only thing I can see from the inside is where it's going to start dripping. This is kind of the first step in the process. I usually soak it for a couple minutes, let it sit for a couple minutes. This nail I can literally, so it's all rusty. It was just loosely chilling there. In equivalent, it was right here on the shingle, right? But it was up a tad bit, but the water, you can see it's all rusted. And this is all really loose right here. All these shingles in this whole area are all loose. Go over this entire section, like a 6x6 area, and just take care of all the nail pops, anything that's low, any shingle that's loose, put caulk on the nails, do that repair, problem solved.